Hi, I'm Brooke Peterman, and this is Sarah Maxwell, and together with Dedra Hughes, we make up the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today, we are at an adorable new listing in Audubon Heights on this beautiful sunny day. We're at 140 Whippoorwill Drive, and Sarah, I'm going to let you tell us all about the inside of this beauty.
Well, Brooke, this, like you said, is an adorable cottage. It has an open split bedroom floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's light, bright, and airy. The best part is the screened-in porch out back, but I also love the kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. So,
Call me or your favorite realtor, and let's go see this house today. Come on.